welcome back to my channel. Hey Queens, welcome back to my channel. Yes, you read that title correctly. I'm in my pink for a reason. We have the Jeffree Star Supreme Mystery Box. This is the Valentine's Day one. This is the Supreme, so this is the biggest one that he had. It's still taped. I saved it just for y'all. So I've seen a few things online about this box. I don't really know what's true and what's not true. So let's find out what is inside the Supreme Mystery Box. Okay, so first things off the top, I see that, oh, I thought it was a t-shirt. Okay, it's a tote bag. What is this? Oh, let's open her up. Okay, so this is a Jeffree Star like little side bag. Okay, I'm gonna be so pissed. I've seen pictures. I've seen assumptions. I'm gonna be so pissed because I have one right here. So this is the Blue Blood palette. I actually have one right here, so I don't need this one. Okay, so the next thing is, oh my god, it's a Jeffree Star pink pop socket. I have a pop socket, I don't know where my phone is right now, it's black. I've literally, out of everything that he has come out with, I have wanted the Alien palette and I've wanted a Jeffree Star pop socket. Don't ask me why, but I've really wanted one. And I'm so glad the one that came is pink because it matches my whole box. Oh, this is one thing I don't have. So this is the Brain Freeze. This is the full highlighter. Oh my god, the gloss. Wait, is this the... No, I don't think so. I think I already have this too. Guysy, did I just get a box that have... Oh, ice cold. What? So this is the gloss. So we have this nice pink box. We all know what comes inside of here. My favorite thing ever. Oh my god, it's the full pink chrome one. This is totally matching my whole vibe right now of all my pinkness. So I'm gagging. I'm gagging right now. Okay, so we have 5 things left. This is the lip scrub. So this one is in spearmint. Ooh, I love anything spearmint. Ooh, it's green. Oh my god, that's so cute. Let's get some right now. So the next thing that we have is another gloss. This is in the red packaging. I think this is one of the exclusive items. So it is Soft Core Sparkle. I haven't seen anything on what this is gonna look like. So let's open her up. Ooh, it's a purple and it looks like a purple gloss. Ooh, it is. So it is a purple gloss of this one. This one's gonna be like more of like a clear, and this is like a purple tint to it. So we have a lip ammunition in the shade Snow Cone. Ooh, it's like a sheer like green color. So we have a velour liquid lipstick in the shade Drug Lord. Do I have this already? I think I have like the smaller version of this. Don't think I'll ever be using this. And the final thing we have is another velour liquid lip. And this is in the shade Blow Pony. Ooh, that's a nice pastel purple color. So that is everything that came in the Supreme Jeffree Star Mystery Box. I'm excited to see what look I come up with the blues and the purples. But I'm going to go ahead and put on my full face because this is going to be all eyes and lips. And I will be right back. Okay, full face is done and I am ready for these eyes. So we have the Blue Blood palette. I already have this one. So I just went ahead and got the one that I normally use. I honestly don't know what I'm going to do with blue and purple, but I definitely want to create something fun. So the first shade I want to dip into is going to be Ice Cold. It's like a aqua Tiffany blue, very like, I don't know, I just really like that color. So now that we have that color laid down, I'm going to use that same brush, added nothing on it, and we're just going to blend out the top. Okay, now that we have that color blended out, the next shade that's kind of speaking to me is going to be this blue one right here called Blue Monday. So going in with a smaller brush, we're just going to pack that on right here on the outer corner. Okay, so after an hour of me trying to figure out how I want this look to go, and just blending in like the same spot, I think I kind of like this like little blown out look. Okay, so we have the Brain Freeze palette, and I am digging for this color Freeze Tag. We're just gonna dip in with our finger, and then boop, pop it in right there. Girl, Freeze Tag does not play. Okay, so I definitely want a little something on my bottom lash. I'm sticking with Jeffree Star. I know I'm cheating, but I'm gonna go in with the mini Jawbreaker palette. It didn't come in the mystery box, but I really wanna throw some purple in to match with the lip that I'm gonna do later. I'm thinking of doing Purple Punch, and I'm gonna do that right on the lower lash line. Oh yeah, so much better. So I'm going to do the other one off camera, throw on some lashes, and I'll be right back. All right, both eyes are done. I'm definitely loving how this turned out. It's like that blue, purple, pink. I'm so excited. Now we're gonna do lips, and I lost the lips, so give me 1 second. Okay, so these are the lips that came in the mystery box. We're definitely gonna stay away from these. That does not go with the look. But we have this purple, and then we have the purple gloss. I'm definitely thinking this one. That is a look. Okay. That is a look. So now final step is highlighter, and we're gonna dip back into Brain Freeze. I really like that freeze tag color that I put right here, and I would love to see how it would look on the cheekbones. So let's get ourselves a nice fluffy brush, dip right into freeze tag, and we're gonna go ham with this because I want this look sickening. There's that nose highlight. Found you. And just a little button right there on the end. Oh, okay, that's a little too much. That is a lot. Damn it. Okay, so highlighter is done. We are going to set this mug. And let's talk about it. So, this is the final look. Is it Jeffree Star approved? Yes or no? Let me know down in the comments below. So overall, am I impressed? Kind of not. I already have the Blue Blood palette, so I definitely wish that it would have been a different palette in there that I didn't have. Especially with it being the most expensive mystery box, you would think that it would have something a little bit more exclusive in it. Maybe like the Alien palette. You know what I'm talking about. But as far as these lips, not really everyday usable for me. I think my favorite thing would be the mirror and the pop socket, because those are things that I would actually use on a daily. I mean, overall, cute experience, not anything that I would actually use all the time, but that doesn't matter because I love Jeffree Star, I love his product, and I'm just gonna keep buying it. But as far as this look, this is definitely one for the bucks. I don't know if it's the good side or the bad side of the book. But I had fun today. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and follow me on all my social media. What are you doing, people? Like, if you're tired of waiting for me to upload, then get on my story. DM me. Let me know what you're doing. Stalk me. I don't care. But once again, thank y'all so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.